Happy Sunday, everybody, and hit that like and subscribe button as you watch the video. Typically, I would say as the intro plays, but that joke has gotten played out because there's no intro, and my eyebrows are not done, which I just have not been able to do very well. Anyhow, and this lipstick is too pink, but you don't care because you're here for Big Brother spoilers. So, spoiler alert! If you don't want a spoiler, leave now, but stick around.
Man, sit your ass down.
Anyhow, spoiler alert, Jared won the POV. Now, Cam wants him to use the POV so that he can then take down Miss Felicia and put up Sari.
Are you crazy? Are you crazy?
Well, since Jared knows that, that's definitely not happening. Jared needs to know who you gonna put up in place of Miss Felicia, because Jared was like, what about Jag? Or, what about America? Because Jared was just going on and on and on about how he can't stand America and Corey. Like, Jared was giving Cam too much information. Like, just shut up. Just say yay or nay. I'm going to use the veto. But he has a tendency to talk too much. Like, he told his secret to Blue unnecessarily. He's telling too much to Cameron. However, will he use the power of veto on Miss Felicia? Doubtful. It, to me, is not in his best interest to do that. Although I would like him to do that because that would make the game really interesting. Like, to see his mom go up because of him, that would be hilarious. Like, it would be so funny if, your mom went out because of you, Jared, because of you running your mouth and you being arrogant and thinking and believing Cameron and believing and having faith on all the people in the house. But clearly, I don't think Jared's that bright, but I don't think he's that dumb either. But I mean, we shall see. We shall see. But Cam, in this plan that he was just, holding so close to his chest and then unveiled it to Jared, thinking he can trust Jared, which is ridiculous. But the funny thing is, Cam, who thought Miss Felicia was Denzel Washington's sister, has no clue that Jared is in the house with his mom, Sari. That just shows how tone deaf these people are, or blind. And I guess it's true, people don't see color. I've said it before. I guess people don't really see color. They don't see shapes, they don't see features, because Jared and Sari are clearly related to me. Like, if I wish they hadn't said anything to the audience, so let us guess, but I would have guessed it. Like, they look alike. They actually look alike. Because I always, even people who are not related, like, oh, they look alike. They have similar features. But Jared was talking too much, and he was going on and on about how he couldn't stand Corey in America. And he says, if I do use it, who you going to put up? And he said, how about Jag? He suggested Jag. But doubtful. I doubt that Jared uses this POV on Miss Felicia. But to me, it's like Miss Felicia is an easy person to get out. She's get out Izzy. If you can't get out Sari, get out Izzy. They're a duo. He should have put up Sari and Izzy together versus Felicia. But, Sari has, she's spinning the story to put everything on the blame of Miss Felicia, and everybody's believing it. So Miss Felicia is probably going out if the veto isn't used, and which is so ridiculous because Izzy's a clear threat because she's a duo with Sari. Anyhow, drop into the comments and like and subscribe.